Hello guys, in this video I will tell you how to fix H Sleep app not opening problem. So it is easy and simple, so please watch the full video. Let's get started. First of all, long press on H Sleep app icon, then tap on app info option. After that, tap on storage usage option, and here tap on clear cache as well as clear the data. Now the next step is go to Google Play Store, tap on search icon, tap on search bar and search for H Sleep. Now tap here, and here tap on update button option. You will see update button here. Simply update it. After that, this issue will be fixed. So hope this video will help. Thanks. Goodbye.